What's good, traders? It's your boy Dominic, and this is my first YouTube video. So make sure to show your boy some love by liking the video and also subscribe. Okay? Now in this video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how to analyze the market step by step. This is my step-by-step daily analysis strategy. It is a simple, clean, easy to follow strategy. So make sure to follow through the video. Let's get started.
Okay, so we're going to be looking at gold for this video. Now the first thing you want to do is you want to head over to the 5-minute chart to mark up your key zones. What are key zones? Key zones are institutional zones, right, where there are potential to either buy or sell. Okay, potential key zones are zones where are institutional zones. Just to be, I want to mention institutional. You get it? So key zones are institutional zones where there are potential to either buy or sell. So you want to head over to the 5-minute chart and mark up your key zones. The reason why we head over to the 5-minute chart is because the 5-minute chart is the real market time. That's why I usually take my entries and setups. I find setups and take my entries on the 5 minutes. Okay. Now, when you head over to the 5-minute chart, you want to mark up your key zones, right? So, what time is this? So this is Thursday the 17th at 11 p.m. So we don't trade at 11 p.m. I'm trading gold. So I usually trade gold starting from 8 a.m. and I'm usually done trading around like 11:30 a.m. So let's fast forward to 7 a.m. Let's fast forward to 7 a.m. All right, this is 7:50. So I usually show up at the market at 7:50 so that I can mark up my key zones, 10 minutes before the market open. Okay, so now the first thing we want to do now, you want to head over to the 5-minute chart to mark up your setups and find entries. Okay, so now I'm about to mark up my key zones. Now, like I said, key zones are institutional zones where there are potential to either buy or sell. Keep that in mind. Now, what do I see here? I see aggressive. So what do I see? I see aggressive buying, right? I see aggressive buying. So aggressive buying is what we call demand. Demand is aggressive buying, where you see this consistent executives, green candlesticks, breaking structure, right? So that's demand. So I see demand right there, right? So this is the lower price for the day. So this here is support, right? And above here is resistance, right? Could be resistance. So that's the higher price for the day. So I mark that up. And now, so after I mark up my key zones, I want to check the higher time frame to verify those zones. Okay, so I'm head to the 1 hour. So we're at the 1 hour. So this support level is valid because I'm seeing that. Because it's also a support on the 1 hour. So the support level here with the two horizontal lines, they are valid. This support area is valid. Now I'm also seeing my demand here. This demand is valid because it's within the support area on the 1 hour. So that's valid. So we could be looking for, and also when we look here, we see that the market is in the uptrend. Okay, so yeah. So that's a confirmation that we should be looking for a buy because there is support below here. There is demand on the 5 minutes here. So, hey, there could be a potential, right? So let's adjust this. This is our 5-minute demand right here. We're not sure yet, but let's see what the market does. Let's play and see what the market does. All right, so right now it's pulling up. It's pulling up. All right, so I think it's pulling up. All right. All right, so I didn't notice that this was a support right here too, but let's see what the market does. All right, so what do we see? The market broke structure, right? And we see demand right here, and right between this area here, there's area to fill. So let's see. Oh shoot. So it broke the demand right here. So let's wait till it gets to our first demand we marked up. All right, so it came in the zone, but it seems like it's trying to go back up. But you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna wait till like the market. I'm gonna wait till the market break above this candlestick right here. This green candlestick right here. Once it break above this green candlestick right here, I'm hopping for the buy. Once it break above the green candlestick right here, I'm hopping for the buy. So, oh my goodness, bro. That's a listen. The market kind of it went in the zone and it waked, and then now it's pulling back up. This is a strong confirmation, so definitely I'm going in for the buy. Right, we said once it break above the candlestick, we have to in. So our stop loss will be below this candlestick, below our zone right here, and our take profit should be somewhere. I'm in for right here. So that would be like, so that's like 101, right? Yeah, 101 right here. All right, let's see what the market does. Okay, it's going against us. Okay. Bam, 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 bam. Bro, that was an easy one though. Like the market was so clean. The reason being is because look, this is demand right here, right? We saw support on a 1 hour time frame. Now I was expecting it to bounce off this demand because the market started the day by pulling up here, right? And by breaking structure up here, but it broke structure down here again, which is crazy. And now this becoming supply, right? But this was also a demand, so the market respected this demand. There's a possibility though that it could like come in the zone and then like reject to go down. Probably, right? Well, yeah. So that's how I analyze the market. So the first thing you want to do, like I said, head over to the 5-minute time frame to mark up your setups and to mark up your key zones and entries, okay? To mark up your setups and entries. Now, the reason being, like I said, is because the 5-minute chart is the real market time. So after you mark up your key zones on the 5-minute chart, you want to go on the higher time frame to verify those key zones to see if those key zones are valid or not, right? So you want to verify your key zones that you found on your 5-minute chart. And once that is verified, then you can be confident that okay, this is a good trade, this is a good setup. So it's just simple. It's simple. So identify your key zones on your 5-minute chart and then verify it with the higher time frames. Okay, if the 1 hour isn't showing anything, use the 4 hours. If the 4 hours isn't showing anything, then use the daily. However, always try to verify your key zones that you found on your 5-minute chart with the higher time frame. And that is it for this video, and I'm gonna record a part 2 And if you have any question, make sure to leave it in the comment, and I'll make a video explaining that particular responding to your question, right? Yeah. But yeah, man, make sure to like the video, show your boss some love, like the video, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.